UNgqongqoshe wezokuthutha uFikile Mbalula uvakashele isikhungo iDLTC ukuyobheka ukuthi sihamba kanjani isimo. Lokhu kulandela umbhikisho wabafundisa ukushayela abakhala ngohlelo lokubhalisa nge-Internet nabathi bahlangabezana nezinselele uma bebhalisa manje ke bafuna ukuthi loluhlelo luhlakazwe. Mbalula uthi uzokhuluma nabo ezwe ukuthi bakhala ngani kodwa ke angeke ekwazi ukukhuluma nabantu abaphuzile abahlaselayo.
Willing to talk to everyone who's reasonable and who come forward to me, and I will reach out to them and engage them on their concerns. That is the essence of government. Government is not arrogant. You listen to people's voices. If the system you are implementing is not helpful to the people and they are raising concerns about it, including the online, I must listen. I must not only listen to Makosini and all of that, I must also listen to the people and verify independent, even myself. The people have gone to Waterfall, they've gone to Centurion, they said to me, Minister, the Waterfall renewal, yeah, Papa, we love it. It is the best. Can you do that the whole country? That is the feedback I got. If they are giving me a feedback that the online services are not, then my team, RTMC, must sit down, look into that, and perfect the system.